For families seeking spacious three-row SUVs that blend practicality with adventure, Hyundai and Mazda deliver two strong contenders. Both the Hyundai Santa Fe and the Mazda CX-80 feature innovative safety features. Euro NCAP awards the Mazda a 5-star safety rating, while the Hyundai offers a standard 4-star rating. While the complete version got the 5 stars. The Hyundai Santa Fe hybrid scored 84% for adult passenger protection, while for children, the score was 88%. The figure of 77% was given for the protection of vulnerable road users, while its safety features were awarded 79%. The completeness of these safety features is what differentiates the star rating between the Santa Fe Safety Pack and Standard. The all-new Mazda CX-80 scored 92% in the adult occupancy category and 88% for child occupancy. It also secured an 84% score in the area of vulnerable road users protection. The Hyundai Santa Fe, a familiar name for nearly 25 years, has stepped up into more premium territory with its stylish and futuristic redesign. In Euro NCAP tests, the Santa Fe showcases good protection for the knees and femurs of front occupants and scores full points in the side barrier test. While chest protection in the side pole impact is rated marginal, other critical areas are well protected. With features like an advanced e-call system and robust whiplash protection for front seats, the vehicle balances family-focused practicality with modern safety. Mazda CX-80, the brand's flagship SUV, delivers 5-star safety as standard, excelling in both child and adult occupant protection. Its advanced child presence detection system ensures an extra layer of security for young passengers, while its autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system performs exceptionally well in avoiding collisions during testing. Whether consumers prioritize Hyundai's customizable safety options or Mazda's all-in premium protection, these family SUVs ensure that space and safety go hand in hand for every adventure. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.